Brothers, this is Tesla Hot Dream. There is no cold air when the air conditioner is turned on. It is broken. Now it costs more than $10,000 to replace it. It is very cheap to take a rest. After removing Hot Dream, the air conditioning pipeline must be used. Clean the air conditioner with a cleaning machine. If it's particularly dirty, take apart the heat pump. Thank you all. Disassemble and clean the 8-way valve of the aluminum pipe. Ultrasonic cleaning of magazines and heat pump hotels. Restore the Hot Dream system. Put the rimming back together, remove the back cover of the compressor, and disassemble the wishwan. The Tokyo wishwan has some mild wear and needs to be replaced. Clean the rotor and stator end rods with cleaning agent. Put the rotor back again, add some refrigeration oil, and install a new hot rotor. It's crushed and rusty and ready to be put back together. If you turn on the air conditioner and move forward, the 3-wheel wind noise usually means it's broken. After the Model 3's Hot Dream is installed, 1 kilogram of refrigerant needs to be added. The Tesla Hot Dream has been repaired and there is cold air in the open space. If you don't clean the 3 water tanks frequently, it will be difficult to compress the 3 water tanks for work. If the load is relatively large, the human hair will break down easily. The high glory will let you understand the tram better.